ankrin Cudjoe wo hwe be ma afono na pantan wadidi ame say tam enti what is wo makasa ene ya to cars ni sika ne de ame man wo no ma yedi na John Mahama ne nkrofo mo ye de wo mo pe wo Ghana ene wo ma fa Ghana so wo mo de enso obia ntimi mie na no nkasa adentira efisa MPP party no odonim sa wo hwe galamsi NDC party wo mo ye wo ma fo mo ho adie videos e ba NDC aban na NDC MP etimi ko hijack Ghana military e wo Ghana e bi nsida Ghana soldier fo e bo ho aban asoja approach fo na kokoje wo sa de we asi Ghana na akufo ado abre so a enke sa bi nke eja tokuro no mu enke ya boda pampa mu sa ama e bi nsida ukoka o mo san say petrol bu abafom obi obeka say petrol abafom bia na adwene enya adwuma na akufo ado abre so na petrol $122 covid bre no ene ya me no ka say petrol $61 enu nti na John Mahama enya akokoduro ekukuru taxi chenchirenche e de akoche petrol bu ko senka wo for more than said ya wo musi ton wo Ghana en wo mu dada Ghana fo ne say John Mahama okoto petrol no 122 no wo ton sa abu edi ma Ghana fo cheche se o man na team no enya nwanwa say eyi ye friends nam one timi e dada Ghana fo say wo bie eyi edi ama wo mo no atua 100% no obi a wako school etimi gidie di sika kwato o masomo boy wadi say sika di nyina because Ghana for e padufudie wo po man ya wo mo padufudie a wo mo se wo man ewiase a Ghanaians number 1 enu ti na MPP for ama kwan ama John Mahama amamuoi wo mo ye de wo mpa because wo ma create platform abeda party ni mu ene nipa kro no de woni Dr. Mahmoud Ba Muafa no oye campaign de ma NDC anaso oye campaign de ma Kennedy Japan wo mu nyina so nim se Kennedy Japan ti we oni nim de di o betimi de abu man eno anso o ba bi obeduro bia no waka de open no de agigi nani no wokọ aye pie ndodum kwakuku aten ene hwan market be ye boa the same thing wokọ primary so no so lusu ye onka asem papa for MPP party no da kama yes ye Mati yenyi kenoforiata na enu ohun say wono ne perfect person enu opie baaye yamfa ama no tante kodae sa nkrofo yo mutiri mu odin aburo dipa boni se mu wo mutiri a wo madidi ametam enene omo se MPP party no ne se omo se wo ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Ba mu antwa nkwa eni MPP party ye be ko opposition 100 years because obi anim se lose ye no enye lose papa eye mo na mo orchestrate ye emo lusu ye etisa mo koto aba no na se Dr. Mahmoud Ba mua in the event class primary seed obi anu so obewini olusu a yenim sa mo na ma hyehyɛ ase ye nso ye mama osum nipa nkɔ ene MPP party na begu enti nipa bonefo aborofo mugu party no mu amagya John Mahama ne nasefo amomu hwie o man ye japade nyina no mo sempa medase bi niaba
Yo, me das pa ya min shop pa Mr. Kofi eja wa ya manon hadia na me das ye pese agije bibi kakra de
Ega hu so ko bi eye ne nyama yi na so wo evidence a fa ne court na eko prove a court say nipa we asoma si ade a wo ye enye papa ba bet na court of public opinion e be di nkrofo atem e be malane nkrofo be gu nkrofo hu fi esen nkrofo asole on very
No, sorry, I want to share Tadia Fita. Hallelujah. What's the consistency?
Ope post intino. I feel so uncle na ma sorry dem. Okay, so me jimi won.
Mama pepper wa si wa sakra obeye legacy. Dia na ye.
Okay, so me jimi. But so munyimi yo, on be twetia, on be campaign tia. Yen twa ma megu NPP anim ase 2028 yen pene. Some of us we will do everything possible to make sure, say, in fact, this man is already a loser. And I want to tell his followers, no matter how you look at it, you can cook it, you can bake it, you can roast it, you can toast it, you can boil it, whichever way, however. At the end of the day, Dr. Baumia will win 31st January 2026. And that's
Inshallah. And my chair and KK will come and join us.
We need 2026. Actual Sokoko, we need 2028 because 2027 NDC a jabber them because I said don't cut
fans 30 by
yes. Any this general secretary play akonya no ba ko be flag bearer ba ko running mate in the second round Cudjoe to black up so che say agbefo abo part na change na enko agbema mu no ko no so be ye ebe running mate de na so efantini onyaya nka ope won na juice so efin say ba bi adu de wasoma che adu ne so 2027 eja be dan this mu se ja tomo eja ntomo omo the new candidates never Julius Debra so asa so oye Jim instruction e wo presidency wo na sentem o wo Dr. Bawumia ayi Samiri ahun ofe odinachi ko ba bia e man fans but anya ahun ofe no e adwene de training atin ko bana se anya ahun ofe no enya bag no nye lazy no people the mind
Wrap it up. Why are they?
the mind Bawumia wife get no the mind Bawumia wife get no your girlfriend gets some the brain Bawumia wife gets no your wife gets some your slave queen wife he gets some that only be etinya ho ofesem etinya me aduma 2028 NDC the new candidate never just as in 2000 yeah the new candidate ebe face President Kofuor I will fail against Wallace no yeah the new candidate ebe face Dr. Bawumia will fail against Mahama inshallah the mubu ono mu ade ebe bia ba Dr. Bawumia win 2028 ebe ye eti NDC for ma she kukuru atale ababeka che se wona boka ne nto obama no me pese me ka che mo plane enye plane fa ye ntie enye adwuma ya fa ho adwen be da
Yana ye chire NDC for nyansa, not the other way round.
Thank you. 31st, Dr. Bawumia is a flag bearer.
And no more what you run away when they see the NPP, all of a sudden NDC for never chira.
Thank you for the word so sweet. Thank you. Anonymous.
You are so sweet.
Thank you.
I love you.
Anonymous. Thank you for the words so sweet in Kombanku's voice. Thank you for the words so sweet. Drop it. I think that we should let our boss Manuel go. Or just watch it.
Yeah. Wakasa.
On Kasayo.
Let Manuel. Let me bring you people. Mami expand them more. Mokasa na eja. Yes, Mr.
Manuel. Manuel Darko.
Because I know Manuel is sleeping. So
he's sleeping.
I'm telling you. I'm
just watch, Papa.
God factor na.
Keke
neighbor. Okay. Keke me expanding and yeah, this is propaganda.
Maybe propaganda. The Tiani say Obi are taking entrenched position. And you know, and yet the Obeka Anna Obi 8 year cry, but ye share say I'm fee say ye educate here so BBH ya cry no na ya teneno so that ye nyina no go me enya good positive. Asamo anami nua yi ka say or attack me integrity nyina cry ehun hia because me no say oka sem cry na wrong me maju achi de wonso ni mo no okay but obeye na say ni say no de me kan ne say right now no economic growth no mean kasi ye jayo ye use na eno na ye use the measure the extent of development. Mestre say ontie me words ni ye ewo oman mu okay na omu hu say oman bi ewo big GDP well oman bi achieve a greater economic growth but obeko oman ni mo no na ne manfo ayebasa enipa ni adwuma enipa ni ba bi da ensuo ho asem ne ade eno na omotena ase sami ti no UN omo have no the saying Mexico enti obi en Google Cocoa declaration so going for that is 1970 or so that time no 1970 or 75 omo jitum say going forward you know omo be use economic development and I measure the extent of development in a country. The American academic. Meanwhile, now all yeah, you know, my research, my dream, I'm a web vision pain. Baby, all can say even development plan. My church will be a brim, no development plan. Make a home and because me development. Okay. Enti the American yes me bo me tirim and America me the me minimum no. Enti ono nso nim bibi foforo no wo kira me nye na chinyi. But say we beka say ye nyusu economic development and a measure na no dey a decade. Enya sa. But me kakura ma on say me chire mu no kura na me try to say me chire mu ama cover Dr. Bawumia because education any a yin na no factor no economic development mu because no be ka na do free SHS na the tie say Ghana no nipa bebre even ya school kura no nipa bebre ni dia wo dia me kan ho said there na obi ka say obi wo ha wo ka economy na dollar per esu na gina road construction nyina no eboa ama economy account is captured under economic issues me argue sir on say me nua ni busa me say what is an economy asema me kan wo no a jitu me say yes I defined it rightly okay and he said economy talks about production distribution and consumption say an constructive road na distribution be there akoso enti me kura no na me feel say me ka bi amamoa sabe ye nyina na ye besua de afrim so that also ko ba bi na wo make you because me no me ko platform bebre so said the nipa bebre argue no me feel say enye eyi but omo nso di omu ni mo no
Odi I know the no credit me odi can boss. In fact, only can member me don't me pay wasem because a baby are no credit dano to me can and I buy ya na ye kasa about some of these a year now man for the year propaganda a person which let's say MPP for 1 year dear you spoke so well about it and no dear
yeah me ubisa me opinion about on say the ye can no Ghana for even America so we training college for na nanado berry store omo free hwe de omo kire ye ebra nanado amamu ba that should tell you say your mindset you know eduru miri bia it's not even about the wako school talk last here and
It is an keke who you so time na dia ye cardio candidates be na yenko.
oh media
And I open so work to continue
obi a take and train decision entinya de me meka ana me no ebe
Send them
sise
the FBI who person will turn candidate and no
Ye ni
that
so
share.
person wo ton dia.
Hia de meka de beti e
And I
beka
person
so
wo kan economy asem na.
no enye on
Oh,
say
okay.
me de meka safa ba bia bia
Say
say
yeah,
meka
catch you. Send your bias. FBI open platform now. I turn candidate. Won't say yeah, more fine.
ana
We
me
say
ka say
for my journey
me
and we are
me
giving
Kennedy
everybody the
minimum no
opportunity to tell us why your candidate is the best in
ana
the
me sure
debate.
say me Kennedy Japan minimum no enti se me no me turn ana me kasa fa ne ho a based on me opinion okay aha na
But what do you
ya
mean,
kan chen
Anna?
me nim no asin se me nhia ne da Dr. Bawumia me nim no me nhia ne da ye nyina no Ghana yie ane ye pe but me
Yeah.
position is say eniema akoso e wo Ghana ho na me kasa aba no I even training colleges crampo na ye free say omo ye intellectuals a anka ye twa omo alawam Nana Akufo-Addo abe restore or the free SHS abane sa niema we nyina the question is adenti no move vote ye out of power okay the etiane say a democracy the will of the people and also who the psyche of the people not just ya vote to power enti wono ya dia wo pebia sometimes you need to the will of the people I say wo hwe the manfo no epe na why so that you be retained in power so it is because opposition so wo
But enye policies yeah. Yeah, they call Ghana for no move vote man and ado. Inti anka dia na nka wo person and ado on ya
okay
apart from idea o move vote.
make be so opposition so wo ho a ope abamu aba okay me in my opinion nanado oye mfomso in a sense say obaye no on the priorities nanka oye so setting it right me feel say nanka yes o focus on 1D 1F no and sane bi anka ne second term no wa rolling up free SHS no and free SHS no krampo no nanka first term no be ya e wosenka oye no day school no momo na ye free thought ya say oba me America na me wo oba America high schools ni nyina government one no e day school obi free no akọ
before Nanadu came, their school was already free. So what you are saying does not come in. Before Nanadu Bebano, 2015, and John Dramani Mahama did 3 days school by. And at times you need to get information before you say
they're noting it down or wrap it up. Address the one.
Let's KK.
So if you are aware that day school was free, why do you want Nanadu to make day school free again? Something that was already free.
Reader, that's why I said that we should route back to the main discussion, because you see, when you go and bring why we lost and all these kind of things in Obia Wadobeka.
It's a God factor, hey. KK.
So it's a KK. Under 40 seconds, please wrap up.
2 seconds, wrap up. Abeku, you have a question. Abeku, your question, is it to KK or who?
Me go factor all can me go day school, me go Ken University secondary school. Let me check
you see, that's all can. You don't have information. Can one do to educate you? Yeah, maybe see me go day school. And I make catch out say, time now who go day school.
At the end of the day, no opposition will buy or no so you have to be strategic. In order for you to be retained in power. And near maybe Akosua affected Dr. Bawumia. Mimi fee say you didn't call 2028. And that's also Ghana for trim. Say me metiasia, say wo betiasia. Ghana ni
Dr. Bawumia, yes, I'm from Swano and I said, why not?
Now only second in command. Okay. Now, the Nanado a year, you know, I affected Dr. Bawumia because on an campaign. And someone Nanado cannot also air cabin. Ghana for holding accountable.
Canada Japan one compare Nanado.
I will submit me a casa, any problem.
Okay, wrap it up. Your point is that you feel like the Nanado government did a lot of things that Ghanaians are still paying about it. Intia did Bawumia almost the sa pains no be
as a second in command, you know. Yes.
Okay.
Anna, Dr. Bawumia, oh yeah, waka sembi me krano. And as some making ubia enye or say or the constituency based budget ebeba. Na say omo ye Ministry of Finance omo ye budget na omo consult constituencies. So no enye no kre. You can Google right now. Ghana Finance Ministry omo ye budget omo consult constituency omo consult broadly and omo they are prepare omo budget. And yes sir, budget talks about expenditure and revenue. How are they able to get the estimated revenue for the country? You can check it. You can check it right now. Google and find out. Say that's
can you give us
Ministry of
Finance for Mr. Bonjour consensus down. It do so you debunk
Ghana or the same budget national budget let's hear you. To the media see why. Madam say some
God factor rules.
No question.
Okay, one question.
So you see, KK, since when I offer a Cudjoe declaration by, and you know I had all kinds of my read God factor was all bad George the Bible goose, so we must from. But anyway, I'm start with me there. Look, when you read the Cudjoe declaration, first of all, say when you say it was a 50-year plan. Oh yeah, way. No, me person will confirm because now cover by and person me will confirm mommy. It was a 50-year plan end day 2024. It was based on a no, and you and Gina so be SDG goals.
SDG, yes, they are aware, pa.
So now you see where you enter and now walk say your friend then development, economic development, and measure the success. You know, we were saying say it wasn't like that because and your SDG near the measure. Now put that one aside. So what fair no crampo now? When you said that Cudjoe declaration, no crampo, it talks against what Ken is preaching. Oh yeah, where?
Well, media no, I say no.
Because now, because meba. So what for the So what for the Cudjoe declaration now? The core philosophy of the Cudjoe declaration was to develop man, not things. Now you are here saying say Akufo-Addo buy
me. So we tie me on say make say nanka me kama mokura mu tie me here. So moderator no betia. Yes, because it
is about the fact. It's not now the
point what he's saying say even though say now person come no but I have facts in here. We don't rely on the fact that who come now card factual on so na ye to.
And make us say me kind no me wrong.
I'm not wrong of whatever I said. To say what you want me to say, but hear me. So what of that way no crap? What can say and maybe I'm a man.
Just hold on a minute for us.
Nanken was a Akufo-Addo cramp. Who one dream was a Akufo-Addo crash starting free SHS no. I was the first term. I was all trained now starting in AB and the second term. Meboa. And yes, I know can
Sad or kind, Sapa Pepe.
Okay, but who
me can say against a certain background. Man can not in isolation. Me I say politics in here because here is the case. Akufo-Addo ba o near graduate unemployed. Ewo on my work grad ya produce a scholars
So based on your own Cudjoe declaration, and also I can say in fact you have to invest in your people. Invest in the people and not the things. And the things not highlighted the factories and the skyscrapers. The all can say Fasikani man for him so about human development. So what you say now? You see,
you know, a measure human development in job creation in our home is
the common. It's about human development.
Abeku. Jame na men kama semwa. Me pa cho ni edi kan. September 2015. And John Dramani de Adibia a friend say progressive free SHS ebaye. As a progressive free SHS no. Emma day school. Secondary school, day schools be free. Enti obi obeba betena say na Akufo-Addo baye no. And you can send command in na and send start with day school no. The person is not on top of information. Because now ni paro nim say time na ya day school ni free that. But I want to also tell him say about free SHR, I was part of the policy draft. And I me answer no. Now me say part of the when we talk about engineers